Hey guys, this is John Ween, attorney and senior legal instructor with Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, coming to you today with another roadside chat. Now, today's question is one that we've addressed before in different contexts, and the question is this. If you attempt to stop a vehicle for something like expired registration, right, and the vehicle pulls into its driveway, pulls into the owner's driveway, you go up, you make contact with the driver. Ultimately, if your state law requires that you tow that vehicle, right? Anytime you stop a vehicle and the driver is suspended, whatever, should you be towing that vehicle? And the answer is no, right? The answer is no, because what is your legal justification? You say, well, my legal justification is that state law requires that I tow that vehicle. Regardless, you are going up onto, presumably, curtilage, right? That area that is so close to the home, so intimately associated with the home that it is protected like the home itself. And the home has the highest level of Fourth Amendment protection. And so if you are going into that area, if you are going to bring a tow truck into that area to remove that vehicle, you're going to need some kind of a justification, some kind of a recognized exception, such as exigency, to do that, right? Your community caretaking rationale is not going to save the day. Okay. Cady versus Dombrowski, South Dakota versus Opperman, these cases that deal with inventory. The idea is we are doing it to protect the person's property. We are doing to safeguard their property, to protect against spurious claims of theft, or to secure dangerous items. The tow and the accompanying inventory cannot be a mere pretext for an investigatory purpose. It can't be a subterfuge for a criminal investigatory search, right? And so the only rationale for towing the vehicle under those circumstances would be community caretaking, and that rationale just does not apply if the vehicle is on its own curtilage, in its own driveway. It's just not going to save the day. United States versus Del Rosario out of the First Circuit, another example. So, yeah, if you're just saying, hey, yeah, we got to tow this vehicle because state law requires it anytime, we come across a vehicle driven by a suspended license, yeah, don't do it, man. Don't do it. They'll be pulling those vehicles off of curtilage absent some form of exigency. All right. Hopefully this helps. If you guys have any questions, please go to bluetogold.com, check out our course catalog, see if we've got any classes coming up in your area. I'm sure we will. Hope to see you guys at a training in the future. Until next time, be safe out there and make good case law.